Habitat for Humanity is a Christian nonprofit organization. Our mission is very, very simple. We believe every man, woman, and child deserves a place to call home that's safe and affordable. So what we do is we use our community, we use our assets, we bring in volunteers, we bring in community supporters, we bring in our staff, and what we do is we actually build homes that are safe and affordable for deserving families. The ReStore is actually an arm, it's a branch off of Habitat, and a lot of people do not know what happens when I donate to the ReStore. Well, not everybody is a builder. Not everyone wants to come out and swing a hammer and has the time or knowledge to do that. So anybody could come in and help Habitat in a way, and what it is we have a ReStore. And the ReStore, all of our profits made from the donations from our community go directly into building more homes. Habitat offers so many avenues to so many people, and people do not know that. Not only do we build house, we also have home repair. So someone might come in and they just cannot afford to get their roof done. We have a team, an experienced team that can go out and help you with that. We also use our local contractors that give their time and attention to this. So we do home repair, we do credit repair. So someone comes in and they can't afford a home and they come to us, and maybe they're not eligible at that time because we have eligibility criteria. We also help them with even cleaning up their own credit or give them a direction. So we have so many avenues for so many people to either donate, help, volunteer, or come and be one of the people that receives one of the benefits.